and I'm a choices counselor for the Agency on Aging of South Central Connecticut. So, if you need any help with anything with Medicare Saving Program, do call the agency.
What's your phone number?
The phone number is 203-785-8533.
Very good. Well, thank you very much.
You're quite welcome.
We have Al Myers here from Elder Care Services. Tell us about that.
Elder Care Services. My wife Gail and I own Elder Care Services. We're both social workers, and we provide home care in people's homes. We provide live-in care as well as hourly care for people that are confined to their homes or that need any kind of help in their homes. Our caregivers can do personal care, they can do housekeeping, they can prepare meals, medication reminders, and we'll come out to the house and meet with people and see what kind of services they need.
And you're in Orange?
We're in Orange, and we're family owned and operated.
What's your phone number?
203-799-8001.
Well, thank you very much. We'll see that everybody gets to see this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is Maria Grice from Social Security Services, and she's going to tell us all about it.
Sure. Good morning. I am Maria Grice, Public Affairs Specialist for Social Security, and today I am here at the Orange Community Center promoting our online services. For those of you who do not know that Social Security does have a website, you can go online and check us out at www.socialsecurity.gov. You can apply for benefits. You can also request replacement Medicare cards, benefit verification letters, change address, add or change your direct deposit, all online. So I encourage everyone to visit our website.
Maria, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We're here with Dave from Wesley Village, and he's going to tell us about the organization and what you do there.
Good morning. Thanks for having me on. Wesley Village is a campus that consists of 3 communities that work closely with one another. We have a 5-star rated skilled nursing facility, Bishop Wiki Health Center, provides orthopedic, cardiac rehabilitation, 30-bed designated subacute unit. We also have a market rent assisted living, Crosby Commons. It's a smaller community, 64 apartments, studios, and 1 bedrooms. Then we have Wesley Heights, which consists of apartments and cottages, and half of those are HUD subsidized.
It's like a very busy organization.
Absolutely. We always have a lot going on.
And a nice place to live.
Absolutely. Terrific place.
Hi, my name is Susan Noonan, and I'm the General Manager of Lend a Hand, and we are a private pay home care agency, and we have offices throughout the state, and we are the sister agency to New England Home Care. We offer companions, homemakers, and personal care attendants, 24-hour live-ins, and we're available 24/7 for any type of care that someone might need in the home. We also offer babysitting services too. And again, our sister agency, New England Home Care, has nurses, skilled nursing, they have physical therapists, occupational therapists, and they do take Medicare and Medicaid. And again, we are the private pay piece, and we also take long-term care insurance. Okay, so we hope that you consider using our agency. Thank you.
Thank you, Susan.
Hi, I'm Pat Zioli. I'm on the Orange Nursing Service Board. This is Barbara Bacall, who is also on the board. We provide all kinds of personalized service to the residents of Orange and Woodbridge. Just call us at 605 Orange Center Road, The phone number is 203-891-4752. Anything we can do to help.
What kind of services does the Orange VNA supply?
We come to the home and do assessments, and then the nurses decide with a doctor's order what we can do to help the patients. We send an aide. We do post-op services for dressings and whatever anybody might need to be more comfortable. Mostly with doctor's orders. They pretty much dictate what we are to do to help.
We have Colleen Douglas here with Arden Courts, and she's going to tell us about it.
Hi, good afternoon. Arden Courts has been in Hamden for 12 years, and we are a 100% dedicated assisted living for those with memory impairments, and that can range anywhere from Alzheimer's, dementia, to any other forms of dementia. We have 60 apartments that are individual with individual bathrooms and over 2 acres of outdoor property, which is basically like a park where people can have the freedom to move around. And it's a very, feel the freedom is what I say, because people with the dementia can have the safe environment but yet feel the freedom of the facility. And we're located in Hamden on Leader Hill Drive, which is just off of Dixwell Avenue.
Well, thank you, Colleen. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Diane Pickety here.
Hi, I'm the Community Liaison for Connecticut In-Home Assistance, and we are a family-run agency. Betsy Wheeland, Rennie Wheeland, and their son Jamie work for the agency, and we provide companionship, homemaking, personal care services, and transportation for the residents of Orange. We also have hourly and shift and live-in, so if you know of anybody who needs help, give us a call. The phone number is 203-452-9629. We are licensed by the Department of Consumer Protection and also the National Private Duty Association. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Bye-bye now.
Hi, I'm Mike Klein from ARP, and this is Joe Quinn, also from ARP, our state coordinator with the driver safety program. We do a program for seniors to refresh their driving skills, and if they take it in the state of Connecticut, if they're over 60 years old, they will get a discount of minimum 5% from their insurance company. A lot of people like to do it. We give them all over the state. We do about 1,000 classes a year throughout the state of Connecticut. Course is only $12 for a member, $14 for a non-member. You could sign up either online or most of your senior centers, hospitals, church groups offer them. They're in the newspaper or online at arp.org/drive.
Very good. We're glad to hear that. Would like to have more and more of the older drivers come out and take our course. We have excellent instructors all over the state, and we want to see everyone sitting there smiling, and when they leave the course, they're going to say, gee, I just got a nice discount on my insurance.
That's right.
Okay? So thank you very much.
You guys are doing a great job. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's not really the same thing, but it's into the camera.
Yes. We have Jeffrey Geller here from Griffin Hospital Lifeline. Tell us about what's going on here.
Well, I manage our Lifeline Medical Alert Service program at the hospital, at Griffin Hospital, and what that is, it's a wonderful service for generally used by seniors, but not always, for them to get help quickly should they need it when they live at home. And it really is a very simple service and designed as such, whereas they press a button that they wear around their neck or on their wrist, and it connects them with one of our trained response associates who's on the phone with them, speaking into the air like a speakerphone within 30 seconds or less, and gets them the help that they need, whether it's a friend or family member or neighbor who lives nearby, or if it's a more serious situation, to get them responder help in the town of Orange, such as police or fire or ambulance, whatever that case may be.
So this is the Griffin Hospital organization doing this?
It's a service that Griffin Hospital offers to both our patients who are being discharged home, as well as to people living in our community, such as Orange.
Very good. Well, I wish you a lot of luck at it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, we have Sandy Glenn here.
Hello.
From Comfort Keepers. Tell us about Comfort Keepers.
Comfort Keepers is located in Shelton. We do non-medical in-home care. That includes things like laundry, meal preparation, transportation, companionship. We can also do personal care. We've been in business now for 8 years in Shelton. The franchise itself has been in business for over 10. And I would have to say that the best thing about Comfort Keepers is our phenomenal caregivers. They're all bonded and insured. They're all background checked, several background checks. We have a teletrack system. When they arrive at the home, they call an 800 dedicated line to call in to say that they're there, and they do the same when they leave. So we always know where our caregivers are. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And that's basically Comfort Keepers in a nutshell.
Well, thank you. You did a very good job. And it looks like you have an interesting organization here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But if I had time for yours, I would integrate most of my
Are we?
Elvira Uberti, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Tell us about Carriage Green.
Carriage Green is an assisted living facility in Milford, Connecticut. Our home office is out of Wellesley, Massachusetts, and we're strictly based in New England. So we are 44 communities out of New England, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. And currently we have about 2 openings, so tell your friends.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have it back here now. So if there's anyone who has not put their orange ticket in this box, now's the time to do it. To the vendors, and the vendors checked off their box and initialed it, and then you put your name and your phone number and your address on the back. We do not do anything with that, but we put them in the box, and that's what we use for the raffle. Each one of the vendors have will draw a name. And I thank you all for coming. I thank you for staying till now. We want to give some credit to Equinox Diner, who put together this. Also, we'd like to give thanks to Nutmeg Property Realty, who and Carol, Bessel, and Aselli, who actually put together all of the refreshments in here this morning, the coffee. She arranged for the bagels. Laurel Estates. Bagels. Did I say bagels? I did. And we're also very grateful to the Lions Club. I don't know if we have any Lions Club members in here right now, but they were here all morning long doing vision screening. So we're really grateful for them. Let's give them a big hand. We're thankful for OGAT. I see Ron Davis back there, who is filming, and he's been in interviewing some of the vendors. So it will be nice to see the health and safety fair on OGAT at some time in the future too. So thank you, Ron. It's really nice of you. And thank you to all of the vendors. I'm not going to read all their names. You've got a program. They are very gracious for coming and giving up their time to be here to share information with you about their services and their products. This is a good way to really find out about everything that is available to you. And we're really happy to do this each year. Services Department, for which Dennis and I and Carol work. There's Carol over there. And Nutmeg Property Realty is a sponsor.